Wagwan, my YouTube family, welcome back to Briscoe's Kitchen. So here in this video, I'm gonna share with you I make my ackee and saltfish. So look down here, so this is all my ingredients I'm having down here, so I have some ackee here, fresh from Jamaica. You know we in the US, so it's hard to get fresh ackee, especially when you're in New York. Here, this is my saltfish. First, we're gonna boil the saltfish. We're gonna get the excess salt out of the saltfish. Here I have my seasoning cut up. I have some tomatoes, some onions, some bell pepper, and some scallions, which is spring onions. Sorry. So I'm gonna make some dumplings. So here I have some all-purpose flour, which is like a pound of all-purpose flour. I have some cornmeal. Here I have some green banana, 3 fingers of green banana. I'm gonna go with it also. I have some